Yo, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the ACG-PCs Mirage PC package. Before starting, I want to let you guys know that I'm not sponsored by ACG-PCs. This is solely just a genuine review from me who has bought a package from them before. We're going to start off with the appearance of the PC case that comes in the Mirage package. It is a CIT Tornado with 4 RGB fans, and in my opinion it makes a PC look really aesthetically pleasing and really brightens up the case on the inside and outside. For the price of this PC, the performance excels many other PCs that you can get. Here is an image of the FPS that you would get on Cold War, Warzone, Fortnite and Rainbow Six Siege. And to give you guys some more guidance, I can confirm that all of these values are correct, as I did test them on all the games myself. For the price of this PC, it really does pack a punch for its performance and appearance. So for me, I would highly recommend this PC to anyone starting out streaming, editing or gaming. So there we have it, the Mirage PC package by ACG-PCs. If you have any questions for me, leave them down in the comment section below. And the link to ACG-PCs will be the first link in the description. So click that, check them out and see what they're all about. But for now, I will catch you on the next YouTube video. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys a ton.